welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Strawberry Shake palette from Colourpop, and this is what the palette looks like on the inside. I've used this palette a few times here on my channel and I absolutely love it. I feel like it's just a really great palette to have. So the first shadow that I went in with is Paper Straw, and it's this really light pink shade, and I just picked that up with a fluffy blending brush and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions as my transition shade. Next I went in with the shade Shake It Up, and I did wet my brush before going in with this shade, so it's kind of something new that I've been doing, and it just helps me get a really sharp line. And I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I always like to go in and create that sharpness and definition, and then I go in with a fluffier brush to blend it out. So here I went back into the shade Shake It Up with a more defined angled brush and kind of blended that line upwards, and then I went into the shade Paper Straw with a much larger blending brush, and I just went over my entire crease area from inner corner to outer corner, just making sure that everything is nice and blended. Now I went in with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Cotton Candy, and I just started to clean up my entire lid, and I like doing this because it just adds a much more sharp effect to the look, and I always set it in place with translucent powder because if I don't, the concealer will crease. And then I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Star Power and my NYX glitter glue, and I first applied the glitter glue and I let it get tacky for about 5 seconds, and then I went directly over top with the glitter. And for lashes, I went in with our Shop Sophie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. The style is currently sold out, but we do have a bunch of styles that are still in stock, so I'll definitely leave a link down below if you guys want to check that out. And then in my inner tear duct, I decided to highlight that area with the Anastasia Ombre highlighter. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I grabbed the shade Shake It Up and I just put that really close to my lash line. And then going back into the shade Paper Straw, I started to blend out my lower lashes, just going in back and forth motions just to really buff it out and make sure that everything is nice and blended. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
I kinda like